Hello all, I'd like to tell a few words about my contest model. This is a composition of 3 mining machines. I've called it track Symphony because I use 4 different types of tracks in it. The first model is a bucket wheel excavator for overburden operations. It is mounted on a caterpillar chassis with full revolving turntable. The main tool is rotating wheel with multitude of buckets that load the material on the conveyor belt. As a conveyor belt, I use rubber track because it allows to elevate material at big angle. Bucket wheel head has a manual control. After the main conveyor is passed, the material comes to unloading conveyor. Its horizontal angle may be different from the angle of digging boom. It's very useful feature because usually mining excavators have very low maneuverability. The unloading height can be adjusted manually. Control knobs are on the both sides of the excavator for comfortable control. As a counterweight, the rechargeable battery box is used. Also, it puts in action medium motor to activate conveyor belts and the digging wheel. Unloading conveyor transmission contains new red gear without friction, so mechanisms work at any angle. Now I'll try to feed my pad for demonstration. It's rather difficult to load the buckets in motion, that's why I load it ahead and I'll add some material directly to the conveyor belt. After unloading conveyor, it's time for the second model. It is double carriage for long distance material transportation. There are 2 functions in it: moving along standard labor tracks and unloading. The unloading mechanism is rather unusual. The bottom and both sides walls are movable. When the carriage is open, the bottom and one wall forms a slope and the material is poured out. These functions can be motorized by using the third model. Probably it is the most complex model in my entry. This is a diesel locomotive Shunter. It has 4 remote control functions. First of all, it moves along standard rails. There isn't standard motor bogie in my locomotive. I've replaced it by safe melt bogie driven by medium motor. The second function is motorized coupling for carriage hauling. Let's see how does it work. When the coupling is activated, carriages can be unloaded using built-in medium motor. Unloading mechanism works not only on the straight tracks. And the last function is light signalization. We can turn it on using the micro motor. So I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and sorry for my English.